Hello, my dear future leaders. Today I want to remove two words from your life. Do you know what they are? I can't. I can't speak in English. I can't study. I can't do this. I can't succeed. Every time you say I can't, you are telling your mind, don't even try. But today, we are going to change that. Imagine a student named Arjun. His teacher asks, Arjun, can you speak in English? Arjun immediately says, no sir, I can't speak English. Now change just one sentence instead of saying, I can't speak English. Arjun says, I am learning to speak English. Did his English suddenly become perfect? No, but something changed. His mindset. One sentence closed the door, the other opened it. From today, replace these sentences. I can't speak English too, I am learning to speak English. I am not good at this too, I am getting better every day. This is too difficult too, I will keep trying. Now, repeat after me. I can learn. Again, I can improve. And louder, I will not give up. Excellent. My dear future leaders, your words don't just communicate with other people. Your words communicate with your own mind. So be careful. What you repeatedly tell yourself, don't say, I can't. Say, I haven't learned it yet. That one word yet changes everything. Today's success formula is, don't use your words to describe your weakness. Use your words to build your strength. Today's promise, place your hand on your heart and say it with me. I can learn. I can improve. Mistakes will not stop me. Failures will not define me. I will not give up. For the next 24 hours, catch yourself whenever you say, I can't. Immediately change it to, I can try, or I am learning, or I haven't learned it yet. 3 new sentences, 1 new mindset. Before I leave, remember, knowledge gives us power, communication gives us confidence, consistency gives us success, and the words you repeat today can shape the person you become tomorrow. I am Sunil Kumar. This is SJ Innovative Mental Academy, Mudhol. Until tomorrow, learn with curiosity, speak with confidence, think positively, never fear mistakes, and above all, never give up. May God bless you. See you tomorrow.